AI-driven recruitment strategies, the future of hiring workshop. With Fletcher Wimbush, CEO of Discovered. 9.2 out of 10 attendees rating, an impressive net promoter score of 75.
Fletcher provided an amazing level of detail, literally opened the book to his entire process.
Elevate your hiring process. Discover the secrets to attracting and securing top talent. Our workshop offers transformative content and practical tools that will revolutionize your hiring practices.
What problem does this person solve? How do they solve it? And how is success measured?
I have been using ChatGPT. It really just kind of showed me how much more I can use and get out of it to really benefit myself and my teams and make our jobs easier and get better candidates out of it.
Take 30 minutes to do a job analysis before you start hiring. If you just do that one thing, because even if you don't do the rest of the stuff, you'll still have that ingrained in your head. You will have thought through what good looks like.
I would definitely recommend this workshop to my colleagues. You walk away with takeaways that you can use in your interview process right away to find better candidates that fit your core values and fit your company and save you time.
Register now to get free disc assessments, a hiring platform, a recruitment marketing video, 8 continuing education credits, $1 Million Hire e-learning course, hiring talented team players book, and a thriving business.
Register now and elevate your hiring strategy. Come on.